How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add music to WhatsApp status. So let's just get started with the video and see how we can do that. So if you want to add music to your WhatsApp status, all you need to do is open up your WhatsApp and navigate to the updates tab. From here, from the navigation bar, you can find the update status option. So when you reach over here, you can find this option that says add status. You just need to go ahead and tap on it. And what you need to do is, in order to add the music, you need to select up a video first. And you need to select up a video that has been recorded in which the song has been already added in the background. So you need to go ahead and use that song, record the video alongside with the song and tap on it. After that, select the video, normally how you post a status, and add your video or photo to it. So for now, this is only the method you can use up, as WhatsApp has not allowed a built-in feature that allows us to add music to WhatsApp, unfortunately. So you can use those options or use a video editing app to add a song alongside your video. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.